I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the work environment. Use a dedicated PC or virtual machine so your main account stays safe. Once done, create a secondary Roblox account and enable two-factor authentication and a verified email to reduce risk. Next, install the account manager only from a trusted, vetted source and scan every file with up-to-date antivirus. Make sure to run the manager under a non-admin user to limit system access and prevent accidental credential exposure. Now configure the manager to minimize blast radius. Import only the test account first and store its credentials in an encrypted password manager rather than the manager itself. Next, apply least privilege. Prefer scoped API keys or read-only tokens instead of full passwords, and disable unnecessary features. Once configured, set up automated, encrypted backups of profiles and settings, and export a copy to secure offline storage. These steps reduce the impact of compromise and make recovery fast and finish by thoroughly testing. Run every login and workflow on the test account so you confirm behavior without risk. Then enable real-time login alerts and review manager activity logs daily. Revoke any unused tokens or stale sessions immediately to close attack paths. Finally, document your recovery steps and keep an emergency plan. If you get locked out or see suspicious activity, clear browser cache and cookies, rotate passwords and 2FA, and escalate to Roblox support if revocation or account recovery is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.